How to fix 5G LTE not working on iPhone iOS 17. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your settings app. Here we go. Now head towards the option of mobile service. Now open the option network selection. Toggle off for this option of automatic. Wait for a few minutes and again toggle it on. Now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, go back. Open the option mobile data options. Make sure you have toggle off for this option of low data mode. Open the option voice and data. Check in for the option of 5G. Likewise toggle on for this option of VoLTE. Now head back. Heading towards next solution, what you can do is eject your SIM card and again reinsert it and then check whether your problem will be solved or not. Now heading towards very last solution, go to the main page of settings. Scroll down, open the option general, scroll all the way down, click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset network settings. Now enter your passcode over here to continue with the process to reset network settings. Once you apply all this process, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix 5G LTE not working on iPhone iOS 17. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.